We are called to seek the lost, to carry Jesus to the dying. But our eyes have turned to earthly things, while broken souls are crying. We speak about the kingdom, yet we fight for what we own. We build our walls of hatred, while the lost are left alone. Lord, turn our eyes to heaven, wake the church before it's late. Give us hearts that seek the sinner, not the things that pass away. We should be fighting for lost souls, but we're fighting over land. We should be seeking Jesus' kingdom, but we're holding earthly hands. We should be reaching out in love, but we're chasing wealth and pleasure. Lord, forgive your church today and bring us back to you. Naga, Kuki, Meitei, we all need the Savior's grace, yet we let our earthly borders come between us face to face. While the world is looking at us, what testimony do they see? Are we showing Christ's compassion or defending what we claim to be? The harvest fields are waiting, many souls are lost in sin, but we're busy chasing earthly treasures. Lord, awaken us again. We should be fighting for lost souls, but we're fighting over land. We should be seeking Jesus' kingdom, but we're holding earthly hands. We should be reaching out in love, but we're chasing wealth and pleasure. Lord, forgive your church today and bring us back to you. What will it profit us to gain the whole world if we lose the precious soul for whom Christ died? Land will pass away, riches will fade away, but every soul is precious in the Father's sight. Let us fight for lost souls. Let us live for Christ alone. Let us put aside our hatred. Let His love become our home. Naga, Kuki, Meitei, one Savior, one cross, one call. Let the church arise in love and bring the lost to Jesus. Not for land, not for pleasure, not for earthly fame. We are called to save the lost and glorify His name.